Here we have an Envirofan Silverline industrial ceiling fan. I got this for fanimation, along with all those. Number one right there. And two CC Georgian, and there we go, and Spitfire motor, and a Toastmaster box fan. Along with this little thing I've been spray painting and fixing up. Anyway, we'll go ahead and start with flow. It's very loud. One's gonna be right there, and one's gonna be right here above my dad's little work area. The controls are gonna be like right here. One on two and two variable speeds. Let's go directly to high speed. Not too much of a difference. I need to get 2 J-hooks. They're pretty cheap. Right now it's on the one for this. These are not Envirofan Silverlines, these are Talk Industrials. And that one is cheap brokenness. I converted it to ball and socket and it's junk. That'll be all.